No need to thank us or anything.
All's well that ends well.
What kind of fruits are these?
Guavas, the purest in Agrabah.
That's what I thought. Oh, this is bad.
So you're a little sticky. What, would it kill you to take a shower?
Al, it's guava juice!
See? It's starting already.
He's cute. What's starting?
Oh, guava juice is the only thing that can give a genie a cold. And when genies get colds... We can't control our magic!
Everybody gets cold, Genie.
But my magic!
I don't think kittens and balloons are anything to worry about. Come on, let's get you some nice hot tea.
Well, okay. But it might get worse.